Wondering which one you should get, Self or the Chime? Stay tuned and I'm going to give you more information about each one of these cards and give you my 2 cents on which one I think is best. Hey guys, and thanks for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks that are going to help you on your road to know your money better. So today we're talking about these two different cards, the Chime card and the Self card. So this is the Chime Credit Builder card, and then this is the Self Credit Builder card. Now remember, I talked about the Self Builder credit card about a couple of weeks back, and I gave my input or my review about this one. And then I just gave you a review about the Chime Credit Builder card last week. So now I want to go through both of them, do a review, and let you know which one I think is the best one to sign up for. So first of all, I made sure that I signed up for Chime when they first came out with their account. I signed up for it a while ago, and I have the Chime savings and checking account. So I get information from them all the time, and that when they sent me the email about getting the Chime Credit Builder card, I jumped right on it. So I have the savings account, which has a high yield interest, and then I have the checking account, which I'm able to deposit money in there directly, or I can go into a Walmart location or Western Union or whatever and deposit money into there. So from there, the money I can transfer over into my credit builder card account, and then I can make payments on things from there. Then the Chime Credit Builder account also records the information and reports it to Experian, Equifax, and to TransUnion. So that is a great benefit of having that card. It's a plus because you want to make sure that if you're trying to build your credit, that these credit building accounts are reporting to the correct or all three bureaus. So that's the benefit of it. Also, like I told you before, if I put money in there and it's like $2,000, well, that shows up on my credit report as a limit that I have. It has boosted up my credit score at least 10 to 20 points, and that is the benefit of having the Chime Credit Builder card. Now, on the other hand, I have the Self Credit Builder card or Self Credit Builder account. So initially, I did not have a card. I had just the account, and it is more like a line of credit that you set up. You go online, you let them know what you want, what limit you want. And I went for the lower limit because what I'm trying to do is just try out these accounts. I'm not necessarily trying to save a large amount or anything like that. I just wanted to try them out so I can see, if they're beneficial. Now that I've tried it out, then I will probably go for a higher amount. Now, the amount that I went for was like $500 and some odd dollars. That means that you'll be paying like $48 a month into this savings account, and they save the money for you in this savings account. They take it out or you pay it once a month like you would any other bill, and each month your savings is building up. You would have a time frame that you would leave the money in the account. It could be a year, it could be 2 years, it's up to you. And you will be able to get all of that money back once you leave out of the program. Now, you are free to leave the program at any time and get the money that you've already paid into it back out. But they suggest that you keep it in there the full time so that you can get the full benefits of the account. So with the Self Credit Builder account, I paid on it for about 3 months. And then after 3 months, they offered me the ability to get a credit card. So now not only with Self do I have a line of credit, but I also have a credit card with the credit limit of the money that I deposited into the self-lender's credit account. So for example, I deposited up to $125 into that account. They offered me the ability to get a credit limit on this credit card for up to $125. I said, okay, I'll just get it up to $100 just to see what happens. Yes, that's a low amount. However, it's a start. So I went ahead, I got the $100 credit limit on that account, on that card, and then they sent me the credit card. When you have the credit card, you use the money that you've already put on the credit card, just like a secured card, and you pay it back, or put the money back in that you've taken out. That money is also put in there and it stays for it to go into your credit builder account. So you're not just paying you're paying your credit builder account, and you're paying on the credit limit or whatever credit you used on this card, you're paying that. And it's beneficial. It has actually raised my credit score up about 35 points as opposed to the Chime one. And they also report to all 3 credit bureaus. And I can see the changes in it. Yes, it's a low credit limit. So it's not going to be, super beneficial, but it is beneficial as far as looking at on-time payments and looking at my credit utilization, because of course I'm not using all of that $100. I might have charged me $10 and then I pay the $10 off. That's trying to build my credit up. So in my opinion, I can give you my opinion on both of these. If you want to get that information, or if you want to sign up for either one of those cards, I'm going to go ahead and leave that information or the links to both of these accounts in my description box so that you can make your choices, or you can choose both like I did. And there's no skin off your back unless you don't have the time or the money to invest in this self-lender account. Then you might want to start with the Chime account first and go from there. Like I said, the Chime account is a great account to invest in or put your money in because it has that high yield interest right now when interest rates are very low with savings accounts. So if you like what I'm talking about thus far, I would love, love, love for you to subscribe to the Financial Spotlight family. Go ahead and click the subscribe button, click the alarm so that you know exactly when I'm going to post here on this channel. And like it if you like what I said so far, and definitely share it with your friends and family. But I'm not done, so don't leave. I just wanted to give you my 2 cents on which account I feel is the best one to have. Out of the 2, if I have to pick, I'm going to choose the self-lender card. And I say that because the self-lender gives you 2 types of credit things to boost up your credit. I would use this because it would help boost up your credit. You're having a line of credit and you have a credit card. And so, like I said, it boosted up my credit number higher than the Chime account did. And I'm able to not only see my credit utilization go up, the percentage be high, and also just on-time payments. So hopefully this information has helped you. Like I said, share it with friends and family. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave the comments in the comment section. Leave your questions in the comment section below because I can answer those for you. Also, I'm going to leave the link to both of these cards in the description box below so that you can make your choice, or you can choose both. It's up to you. And also, please subscribe and become a part of the Financial Spotlight family. We'd love to have you. And I'm going to go ahead and ask you to click the notification bell too, so you know exactly when I'm posting here every single week, sharing my financial tips and tricks with you here at the Financial Spotlight. Have a great one. Goodbye.